Hello, wonderful viewers, and welcome back to Decor Puzzle 2.0. This channel is all about bringing unique, intriguing, and tailored design ideas straight to your screens. If you've just stumbled upon us, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell to be a part of our thriving decor community. Today's feature is particularly special. We're shining the spotlight on one of the most significant, yet often underappreciated elements of a home, the front door. With the right touch, a door is not just a portal, but a declaration of personal style and security. So let's step right through and begin our journey into the world of front doors. Why all this fuss about a front door, you ask? The front door isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a memorable first impression. Think about it, your door can tell a story even before someone enters your home. It can hint at the architectural beauty inside, give clues about the residents' personalities, and even offer a warm welcome. A well-chosen front door can elevate your home's curb appeal and even boost its market value. So, picking the right one is definitely a decision worth investing time and thought into. Underscore 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 underscore. The heart and soul of any door lies in its material. The choice of material can impact not just aesthetics but also durability, maintenance, and security. 1. Wooden doors. The traditional choice, wooden doors offer warmth and elegance. From oak to mahogany, the type of wood and its finish can drastically alter the door's look. The downside? They might need some TLC over the years to combat weathering. 2. Fiberglass doors. Almost like a chameleon, fiberglass doors can be painted or stained to resemble various textures, including wood. They stand up well against wear and tear, making them a favorite among many homeowners. 3. Metal doors. If security tops your list, metal doors, particularly steel ones, are hard to beat. Modern metal doors also offer a sleek aesthetic, moving away from their earlier, more industrial look. 4. Glass doors. Imagine bathing your entrance in natural light. Glass doors can be a striking feature, especially when combined with other materials. But remember, the type of glass, be it frosted, tinted, or clear, will affect privacy. Underscore 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 underscore. The design of your door should ideally complement your home's overall architecture. Let's explore a few styles that are making waves. Traditional, timeless and appeal, these doors often feature intricate designs, carved panels, and classic fixtures. They resonate with homes that have a historical or classic architectural style. 1. Modern. Think of doors with geometric patterns, bold color contrasts, and often a fusion of materials. They're the go-to choice for contemporary homes. 2. Craftsman. This style exudes handcrafted quality. Sturdy in build, they often incorporate glass panes on the top, allowing light while retaining privacy. 3. Rustic. Evoking a pastoral and homely feel, rustic doors usually employ heavy wood or reclaimed materials, accented with iron fixtures. 4. Arched. Blending elegance and sophistication, arched doors bring a touch of the old-world charm to residences. Underscore 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 underscore. The color of your front door is like its voice. It can whisper or shout out its presence. 1. Classic black or white, evergreen choices that can be both stately and welcoming. 2. Vibrant hues, think bright reds, deep blues, or sunny yellows for those who wish their door to be a standout feature. 3. Pastels, gentle on the eyes, pastel shades like lavender, peach, or teal bring a calm, serene touch. 4. Natural stains, showcasing the wood's inherent beauty, stains can range from light oak to dark walnut. 5. Metallic finishes, these aren't just for modern homes. A brushed copper or matte gold can add a touch of luxury. A door can be dressed up or down, much like an outfit. 1. Smart locks, upgrade your security with locks that can be controlled with a simple app on your phone. 2. Door knockers, from brass lions to sleek chrome rings, they add character. 3. Side lights, these narrow windows flanking your door can enhance light and aesthetics. 4. Mail slots, functional and stylish, pick one that complements your door's design. 5. Door mats, welcome guests with mats that reflect your style and humor. As we wrap up this journey through the world of front doors, we hope you're buzzing with ideas. Remember, your door isn't just a functional piece, it's a canvas waiting to be painted with your personal touch. We'd love to hear which idea caught your fancy, so drop a comment below. And if this guide has helped you, a thumbs up would be awesome. Stay tuned for more decor magic right here on Decor Puzzle 2.0. Till next time, happy decorating!